third graders. For math today, I kind of wanted to start out with something that we've worked on before, but something that we still need some practice in. So we're going to be working on adding and subtracting with regrouping. So I have a couple problems up on my board here that I'm gonna talk you through, and then your assignment has been posted onto Google Classroom. You're going to be going through, and I believe you have about 12 problems to do, 12 to 18, and it's all about adding and subtracting with regrouping. So you're going to go on and you're going to solve the problems and submit it, and then I'll know that you have been practicing. So to start out with, we're going to do this one over the 489 plus 322. Okay, I'm going to do my best to try and get it into the shot as much as possible. Remember, not only are you guys learning how to use this technology, but I am too. So we're going to start in our ones place like normal. So we have 9 plus 2, which we know that that's 11. If you're still practicing that, you just start at your 9 and count up 2. So 9, 10, 11. I do my 1 down on the bottom for my ones place. I carry my 10 up to the top, my 1 for my tens place. So now I add up my tens. So 1 plus 8, or 8 plus 1 is 9, and then add 2 more. Look at that, we already know what that is because we did 9 plus 2 in the last one. We know it's 11. So I put my 1 for my ones place and 11 down on the bottom, carry my other 1 to the top, and now I can add up my hundreds column. So we have 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 more. So then we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, that's a little crooked. But we end up with our answer 811. Okay, we're going to go over to the next one. So we have 674 plus 599. I do 4 plus 9. Or 9 plus 4, remember they work both ways. So 9 plus 4 would be 13. I have my 3 down on the bottom for my ones place. I put my 1 on top for my tens place. Then I have 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. So I do my 7 on the bottom, carry my 1 to the top. And then I do my hundreds place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now this one's a little tricky because a lot of friends like to do this and then, well, where do I put my 1? Well, since I'm at the end, I just write the number 12 at the bottom. Okay, so instead of carrying my 1, because I could, it would be like having zeros there. 1 plus 0 would be still 1. I add my comma in. I would count over 1, 2, 3, add a comma to make sure we have the right place value. So that's the adding part. Now we have our subtracting, and this is where some friends get a little confused. So I start out with 2 minus 8. So I have 252 minus 148. I know that I can't take 8 away from 2, because if you have like 2 apples, you can't give 8 apples away. You don't have enough. So then I need to borrow. I cross out my 2, I go next door, cross out my 5. My 5, I take 1 group away, 1 group of 10 away. So that becomes a 4. I give that group of 10 to the 2. So 2 plus 10 is 12. A little trick, when you're borrowing, whatever number you're giving to, just put a 1 in front of it, and then that's it. So my 2 became a 12. So 12 minus 8, so I think, okay, how many does it take to get from 8 up to 12? 9, 10, 11, 12, that's 4. So my answer for the bottom, or for the ones column, is 4. Then I have 4, take away 4 is 0. Then I have 2, take away 1 is 1. So my answer is 104. Okay, we're going to do one more before I'm going to send you off to go work on your assignment. So I have 3 minus 9. Well, I can't do that because if I have 3, I can't give 9 of something to someone. So I need to borrow. So my 1 now becomes a 0. My 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. Uh-oh, now I have 0 minus 7. I can't really do that because if I have 0 of something, I can't give 7 away. So then I need to cross out my 0, cross out my 8. My 8 becomes a 7. My 0 becomes 10. Kind of tricky to see there, sorry. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. Sorry, again, hard to see. I'm working on learning this technology stuff right along with you. All right, so your assignment is on Google Classroom. You're going to be going on and solving some addition and subtraction problems. Most, if not all of them, are going to include regrouping, so make sure that you're practicing that. If you are getting confused with trying to get all your work done on actual slide, do it on a separate sheet of paper and then add your answer to the slide by adding text boxes, okay? If you have any questions or need any help, you or your parents can send me an email, get a hold of me on Seesaw, whatever. I'll be around. I'll be checking that stuff to make sure that you guys don't need any help, okay? All right, happy learning.